Help, I'm stressed.
Hey everyone, it is almost time for midterm exams here at the Tutorium. So I thought this is the perfect opportunity to talk about ways to say you feel stressed. Number one, stressed out. I'm stressed out. Number two, a lot on your mind. So you could say, I have a lot on my mind, or you could talk about someone else and say, she has a lot on her mind. For this next one, you have to think about a plate, like a dinner plate. This one is, I have a lot on my plate, or I have too much on my plate. Number four, to be at your breaking point. So you could say, I'm at my breaking point. And if you say this, it means you can't take any more. You're about to break. For this last one, you have to imagine the seam in a piece of clothing. And we say, I'm coming apart at the seams. So I'm breaking at the seams. This one is really strong. So if you say, I'm coming apart at the seams, you're not doing okay. Some stress is normal, but feeling really stressed all the time is not okay. So if you're feeling really stressed out, follow these tips. Number one, make sure that you're getting enough sleep. Number two, spend time with other people, right? See your friends, see your family. Number three, make sure to take breaks. You can't work all the time. Your brain needs to rest.